Have your sticky notes suddenly disappeared? Don't panic. In this tutorial, I'll show you several ways to find your missing notes and explain what to do if they don't appear right away. First, open sticky notes and look for the notes list. Sometimes notes are simply closed instead of deleted. Open the list from the app menu and see if your missing notes are still there. If they are, just click a note to open it again. If your notes still aren't visible, check that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. Sticky Notes syncs notes to the account you use, so signing into a different account may make it seem like your notes have disappeared. Next, make sure your internet connection is working and give Sticky Notes a few moments to synchronize. So if syncing was interrupted earlier, your notes may appear after the app reconnects to Microsoft's cloud. If your notes are still missing, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, find Sticky Notes, open Advanced Options, and choose Repair. Yeah, this can resolve problems without removing your synced notes. As a final option, uninstall Sticky Notes, reinstall it from the Microsoft Store, and sign back in using the same Microsoft account. If your notes were successfully synchronized before, they should automatically download after you sign in, and that's how to recover sticky notes that seem to have disappeared. I mean, in most situations, checking your notes list, signing into the correct Microsoft account, or restoring synchronization solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.